Using the sunrise as an alarm clock has roots in classical yoga theory and is thought to improve mood. Additionally, waking up with the light can balance your body's internal clock. However, it's not always easy to depend on the sun to wake you up, especially on cloudy days, during falls and winter, or if you're a serial snoozer who needs to be dragged out of bed and thrown into a bucket of cold water in the mornings just to be half aroused. The best sunset alarm clocks help you rise easily for more productive and relaxed mornings. Number 1. Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light. With more than 20 brightness options and a no-frills construction, better days are ahead with this customizable, easy-to-use alarm clock. Good morning sunshine, the earth says hello, when you wake up with the Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light. Choose from more than 20 brightness settings and 5 nature-inspired wake-up sounds to customize the kind of light and sound you want to rouse you out of bed. If waking up to music is more your jam, it includes a built-in FM radio. If you must snooze, simply tap the clock, which also doubles as a bedside lamp. The automatic dimmable display, and lack of cell phone connectivity, which can cause scroll temptation, helps you block out extra light to get deep Z's. It can also help you fall asleep, thanks to built-in settings that let you know when it's time to call lights out. Number 2. Hatch Restore. Built-in soundscapes, stories, and mind-body exercises can help calm your racing thoughts. Remember getting a solid night of sleep as a child after nighttime reading? Recreate that deep, luxurious sleep with the Hatch Restore 2. It includes plenty of light options, stories, soundscapes, and can even help you maintain a nighttime routine. You can program up to 10 steps in the app to help you fall asleep. You can adjust the light brightness, color, and sleep sound for each step. This is incredibly useful if you have a hard time winding down, or you accidentally get caught up in yet another episode of Love Island, again. The Hatch Sleep membership is $9.99 per month, which gives you even more sounds, colors, and stories to choose from. The device requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to use. If you don't have access to either, you might have to skip this clock. Number 3. Lofty Lamp. Made with aesthetics in mind, you can't even tell it's specifically for waking you up. The Lofty lamp looks like a regular lamp at first glance. However, when combined with the intuitive Lofty app, it turns into a sunrise alarm clock that blends into your decor. Adjust the brightness in the app or by using the light intensity controls on the back. You can also use the lamp for sunset wind downs. The light that crawls up the top of the lamp to wake you in the morning fades and recedes back to the base toward nightfall to alert your body that it's time for sleep. If you're looking to add breathwork, wind downs, and light and sound wake-ups, pair the Lofty lamp with the Lofty clock. It's sleek, stylish, and adds more traditional alarm features compared to the Lofty lamp alone. Number 4. Jal Wake Up Sunrise Alarm Clock. Keep your phone away from your sleeping area with this standalone sunrise alarm clock that doesn't need an app to operate. Many sunrise alarm clocks include an app to control alarm settings and brightness. However, if the thought of connecting yet another thing to your phone makes you violently ill, consider the Jal Wake Up Sunrise Alarm Clock, which is solely operated manually. Along with wake-up sounds, it includes a stand alarm beep, perfect for heavy sleepers who need a bigger push to get out of bed. Use it as a reading lamp or nightlight to unwind before bed, or choose between 7 color options that allow you to set the vibe. You can also change the brightness of the display to ensure you get a good night's sleep. Customize your wake-up experience with dual alarms. Set different wake-up times for weekdays and weekends, or share the clock with a partner or child. It's a versatile choice for the entire family. Enjoy your favorite radio stations with the built-in FM radio feature. Tune into your preferred stations and start your morning with music or news. Number 5. HOME Labs Sunrise Alarm Clock. You don't have to break the bank to get up at the crack of dawn with this multi-purpose clock. The HOME Labs Sunrise Alarm Clock is probably the cheapest sunrise alarm clock on the market. But don't let its low price fool you. It's packed with features similar to more expensive clocks, like a dimmable display and different color options. And, like other choices on our list, you can use it as a reading, night, or mood light. Sound options include a regular alarm beep, bird noises, a lullaby, and ocean waves, making it a great sunrise alarm clock for kids. The snooze button is easy to find, and it doesn't need app connectivity for use. However, if you're looking for app connectivity, you'll sadly not have it with this alarm clock. Overall, the HOME Labs Sunrise Alarm Clock has features seen in pricier alarm clocks at an unpricey cost. The H-Home Sunrise Alarm Clock will replicate a morning sunrise to help start your day. It's an incredibly beneficial way to wake up. While we have nothing against the sun, we are in fact big fans. Our alarm clock wins because you're able to determine the brightness of light. The sun isn't quite as flexible in that way.